my dear students, and welcome back to your music class. So first of all, let us revise the topics that we did in our previous class. So if you remember, I taught you about staff notation, the values of three different kinds of notes, and also the values of three different kinds of rests. Okay, so these are the topics that we did in our previous class. So let us learn about the next things. Okay, so in today's class I'll be teaching you about bar, measure. Bar or measure is the same thing. Okay, and we'll learn how to fit those three types of notes in a measure. Okay, and also we'll learn about time signatures. So this, students, is a staff, as we know. Now we draw a line called bar line to divide this staff into two equal parts known as measure. So next we talk about time signature. Let's see a basic time signature known as 4x4 time signature. So the upper number 4 denotes the number of beats in a measure. So in measure 1 we will have 1, 2, 3, 4. And in measure 2 again we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now if the upper number changes to 3, so similarly we'll have 3 beats in a bar, that is 1, 2 and 3. In other bar 1, 2 and 3. Now let's talk about 4x4 time signature. So first let's deal with whole note. As we know, whole note has 4 beats as its value, and similarly the 4x4 time signature also has 4 beats in a measure. So one whole note can completely satisfy a measure of 4x4 time signature because it has 4 beats in a bar. So second thing, we have a whole rest which also has a value of 4. That means one whole rest can satisfy a measure of 4x4 time signature. Now if the upper number is changed to 3, then a whole note cannot satisfy a measure because the measure will have 3 beats but the whole note will have 4 beats. So one beat, that is the last beat, will go out of the measure. So this will not work. So let's stick with 4x4 time signature and let's talk about half note. So a whole note has 4 bits, and if divided by 2 we get 2, which is the value of a half note. So 2 half notes can satisfy the 4x4 time signatures measure. Okay. Similarly, one whole note equals to 2 half notes, as you can see in the picture. So now the last type of note is quarter note, which has 1 beat as its value. So since we have 4 beats in a bar in a measure, so we will need 4 quarter notes to fill the measure because each quarter note has 1 beat. So now let's try to use a combination of 3 different types of notes in a measure of a 4x4 time signature. So students, I hope by now you have a basic understanding of rhythm. So I request all of you to please make a note of whatever things that I am teaching you in my videos. Okay, so that is all for today's class. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.